Refresh is one of the world's leading renovation specialists, and here's why. Renovations are typically disorganised, with a lack of coordination between designers and engineers, and the stress of scheduling planners, tradespeople and suppliers falling on the homeowner. Industry research shows that on average, 30% of the budget for renovations is wasted due to poor communication, a lack of upfront planning, and the absence of systems to manage the project. Refresh Renovations has the solution. The Refresh process ensures your project will be structured and efficient, so you can enjoy your build. Our Refresh consultant will come to you, and throughout the build, our one point of contact approach will keep you involved as your project comes to life. The Refresh process takes you through the planning stages, increasing efficiency and putting more of your investment back into your project, giving you the best value for your money. Refresh Renovations is always at the forefront of innovation, utilising advanced cloud-based software to manage all aspects of projects and communication. Our advanced systems and processes allow our project managers and building teams to manage projects with less waste. This saves you time and money. Our software keeps communication between all tradesmen clear and organised, and our customer portal keeps you in control, with the ability to view plans and products and watch your progress unfold. The first step is to take a thorough briefing to understand what you want and what your budget range is. The next step is to develop concepts based on the brief. This is a crucial stage as it sets the foundation for a successful project, and at the same time gathers information to let you assess the feasibility of your budget. Next is the detailed planning stage, where we will create drawings from the concepts and our construction team will work out the cost of building to the plans. At this stage, we will put together a project timetable and provide an indication of how long the project will take. So if you're ready to get your project underway, let's get started.